Hi everyone! Oh, looks like I've got two pairs of hands today. Who's that?
I'm Jackson and I'm 9, and if I can do it, you can do it.
What do you want to do today then, Jackson?
So today we're making a card that's themed of the beach.
Oh wow. So this is the ultimate card making kit. It says, ahoy there, great for all skill levels. And this is by Dot Crafts Paper Mania. So do you want to take out all your pieces and we'll see what we're going to make.
Okay.
So what have you got in there?
So we've got some glitter, some ribbons and stamps.
Oh yeah, stamps. They're nice. You've got the beach cup. A ship. Oh, very nice. We'll pop that to one side. I expect we'll use them in a minute.
And then we've got some blue and yellow card.
So this is your card blanks.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. What else is in there?
And then we have foam pads.
Oh wow. So you've got foam pads as well.
And then some postcards.
Oh yeah, look at those. Those are pretty, aren't they?
Yep.
What else have we got? Oh, so this is some backing papers. You must have more in there. Can we move on a bit quicker, Jackson?
Yep.
Don't take one piece at a
And then
time,
we have
darling. There you go. Take out a few pieces. There we go. So we've got some beautiful backing papers.
Yep. Lots.
We've got a lot. Yeah, that one's upside down, look.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah, really nice. So, if we pop all these to one side as well then.
And then we've got 2 little bits of card.
Got 2 more bits of card, have we?
Yep. And
another piece. So let's put that one over there. And what else?
And another piece.
Oh my goodness, this is like Christmas. Oh, and you've got some embellishments.
Yep.
Oh, and these I think you pop out, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
And then we've got
another
some
one.
More. Some more.
Some more. And another one. And is that everything?
And then that's everything.
Okay, so if we put that to one side, because we don't need that. So if you give that to Nanny. There we go. So you need to choose what you need to make your card. Now, first of all, you need to fold and burnish your card blank with your bone folder. So we're going to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so take in your bone folder.
Yeah.
And if you see this score line,
yep.
If you fold this over so that it meets. There we go. Pop that down and then just run your bone folder up the crease of your card. Yeah, on the flat side like this. So if you hold it like that and we go up there and then we come back down this way. That's it. Lovely. So that's your first card base done.
Yep.
And then we want to pick a backing paper for your first mat. So whatever colour you think you'd like.
This one.
You like that one, do you? Oh, this one's got crabs and stars and all sorts of things. Okay, so take in your card then. So you need to measure this card and you need to tell the people how wide this card is and how deep this card is. So if you take in your ruler.
4.5.
And what about depth wise? Is it square by?
Oh.
Yeah, that's the same.
Yeah, it's about the same.
So what is it?
4.5.
4.5 inches square. So if we want a little, do you want a little border around this piece? Or do you want it to be the same size?
Same size.
You want it to be the same size. So we need to cut this down to 4.5 inches. If you take in the paper trimmer.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to line your paper up to where it says 4.5 hold it nice and flush and pull this down. So that's 4.5 that way. Now rotate your cardstock, go back up to the 4.5, and there we go. So that's your matte layer to go on the top.
Yep, it fits.
And you need to pop some glue all over the back. Yeah, over the back, and go all around the edges, square, get it the right way round, nice and square on your card base. There we go. Yeah, that'll be fine. Give that a nice press down. Turn your cardstock over and give it a good nice rub on the back. Like this. Wow, you've got your first matte layer. And now you're going to choose some embellishments.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to have, what do you want your scene to be? You could have a beach hut. You could have a sign up in the corner that says "Gone to the beach."
Yeah, I think we should have that, and that.
Oh, go on then. It's your card.
Okay.
So if you pop that out, you're struggling there, are you?
Yeah, it's just stuck on that bit.
There we go. So we've got that one. So if you pop that on there, and we'll cut that down in a minute. What else was it you wanted?
This one.
I think they're starfish, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to pop that one down then. And then you would like one from there. And shall we have the sign that says "Gone to the beach"? All right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So this one you only want the two, do you?
This
Oh,
one.
you just want the yellow one. So if you
Yeah.
take a pair of scissors, you can see what you're doing. That's right. And oh, that's it. And just cut that up nice and straight where you
Oh, sorry.
want that to be. Well done. And you're going to have that one there, are you?
Yeah.
Lovely. Okay, so you need your foam pads now, don't you?
Yep.
What you're going to do is you're going to pop some foam pads all over the back of your embellishments.
All right.
Okay, and you're going to pop that down where you want it. There we go. Oh, that's nice. I don't know if anybody can see what you're doing, babe. You need to go in a little bit. That's it. Now, so you've got... Shall Nanny get you some bigger ones?
It's fine.
Is that okay? And you're going to pop that up in that corner. Oh, wow, that's lovely.
Yeah.
So, do you want to use some bigger ones for this? Because otherwise you'll be here all day.
Trying to get the right one. Oh, that's a lot.
So if you pop...
That one on there. Yeah.
the back in.
Yeah, the back in.
That's right, that'll stop that from rocking.
And then another one up there.
Yeah.
Right.
Lovely. So you're going to pop that down there, are you? Lovely.
Yep, that right there.
And then one more to do.
Yep. Actually, two more.
Oh, two more.
Yep, I decided to go for two.
Oh. We're having one up in the sky. Oh, well.
Yeah. That's what I normally do. I put stuff.
You put them all over, do you?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
What the hell?
And then another tiny one. Right. You're busy trying to take the backing off, aren't you?
Yeah.
There we go. So you're going to pop that one somewhere. So if you'd like to hold your card up to the camera and show the people, wow, look at that. Isn't that stunning?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we do a sentiment for inside?
I do not mind.
You do not mind. Okay. Let's have a little look and see where our stamps went. Oh, they didn't have a sentiment for it. We could stamp a ship.
So cat
Or-
like that.
Yeah. Lovely. Did you mean to do it like that?
No, but it looks nice.
No. This is called a top fold card.
Yeah.
So you wanted it that way, but we've got a top fold card, and that's lovely.
Yeah.
Top fold cards are really, really nice.
Yeah, they look nice.
So if you open this up, and what do you want to stamp?
Probably a anchor.
An anchor.
Yep.
So if you take in a small stamping block.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to put that down on there, so you need to pick that up with the stamping block. That's it.
Okay.
A what?
Ink.
Ink. Yeah, what ink do you want?
Probably coloured ink.
Coloured ink. So which
Yeah.
inks would you like to use?
Um,
Lovely light blue. And who are they made by?
they are made by Prism, a World of Colour.
Oh, wow. There on the corner, and just tap the ink all over your stamp. You need to get quite a bit of ink on there. I don't know if that's going to show.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and think about where you want to stamp it. Yeah, anywhere there. And give that a little press, not too hard. That's fine, yeah. Take that off.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then you can write a little message.
Yep.
And there's the front of your card. What are you looking for?
Yeah. A pencil.
You want a pencil? What did we do with pencil?
Can I write a little message?
You can write a little message if you want to.
Yeah.
What did you do with a
Probably
pencil?
over here.
I have never seen anybody work in such a mess. There must be another pencil in
Yeah.
Nanny's. There it is. Here it is. There you go. So you want to write a message already? Okay, so what are you going to write? Bring it right over here so people can see. Tell us what you're writing.
I might write it to Mum.
Writing it to Mummy, are you?
Yeah.
So what are you writing?
Have a happy summer.
Have a happy summer. That's a nice sentiment.
Have a
From JJ. Okay, so do you want to fold your card over,
Yeah.
hold it up to camera and explain to the people what you did?
So basically, what we did at the start, we got a bit of card and then we folded it with the bone folder and then we cut the backing paper to 4.5 inches and depth. And then we stuck it on, and then we got these which you can poke out, and then what we did, we got some of our foam pads and stuck them on.
Well done.
So yeah,
And then what did you do? Anything on the inside?
and then in the inside, I wrote a little message. You don't have to, but and then I got one of these, and then I got some ink and I dabbed it on. And then I pressed it down, and then it made that. So yeah.
Yeah, made an anchor. Very nice. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed our little video.
Yep.
I hope you've learned something. If you're 9, you will have learned quite a lot from our JJ. And thank you for watching.
Yep.
Until the next time. Bye for
Bye.
now.